Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the English idiom, sick as a dog. We'll cover its meaning, origin, and share some examples of how you can use it in everyday conversation. Let's get started. The idiom, sick as a dog, means to be very ill or unwell. It's often used to describe someone who is experiencing severe symptoms of illness, such as nausea, vomiting, or extreme fatigue. The origin of this phrase dates back to the 17th century. In those times, dogs were often seen as unclean animals and were more prone to diseases. Because of this, the term sick as a dog became associated with severe illness. Over time, it has remained in the English language as a vivid way to describe feeling extremely sick. Here are 5 simple sentence examples. Example 1. After eating some bad seafood, John was sick as a dog all night. Example 2. When the flu hit our office, half the staff was sick as a dog. Example 3. Mary missed the party because she was sick as a dog with a terrible cold. Example 4. The medication made him feel better, but last night he was sick as a dog. Example 5. After the long flight, I felt sick as a dog due to jet lag and turbulence. And there you have it. The idiom sick as a dog is a colorful way to describe someone who is feeling very ill. Remember, idioms like this one can add a lot of flavor to your language and help you sound more like a native speaker. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on English idioms and expressions. Stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.